know that some of the things we do after eating can have dire consequences for our health? Here are 9 things to avoid after a meal. 1. Avoid sleeping. Often, going to bed or taking a nap right after eating can lead to discomfort, gas pains, and bad sleep. Studies show that people who go to bed hours after a meal have a lower chance of having a stroke or heart attack than those who take a nap right after eating. 2. Avoid smoking cigarettes. Unfortunately, this is a common habit among smokers. Studies show that the harm from 1 cigarette after a meal is the same as that of smoking 10 cigarettes in one go. 3. Avoid taking a shower. We bet you haven't heard this before. When we take a shower, our blood rushes to our hands and feet, which means less blood flow to our stomachs, resulting in the body being unable to absorb the necessary ingredients. 4. Avoid eating fruits. It is best to eat the fruit on an empty stomach and not after a heavy meal. The stomach has a hard time digesting the fruit, which means you will not get the essential nutrients. 5. Avoid drinking tea. If you drink tea right after eating, you are preventing your body from absorbing iron from food. Iron absorption is reduced by 87% and can lead to anemia, paleness of the skin, cold hands and feet, dizziness, and loss of appetite. 6. Avoid loosening the belt. Loosening the belt after a meal is a sign that you have eaten more than required, and in short, it is bad for you. 7. Avoid walking. Generally, people go for a walk immediately after a meal, thinking it will help them digest food easily, but it is a myth. You can go for a walk after a meal, sure, but at least 30 minutes later, because the food needs time to settle. 8. Avoid drinking cold water. Avoid cold water after eating. The reason is very simple. Ice water does not allow food to be properly digested, because it causes the food to clump. The warm hot water helps the nutrients absorb better. 9. Avoid exercising. Exercising after eating leads to laziness and discomfort in the stomach. Where stomach upset occurs because the body pumps blood to the extremities when training, rather than into the stomach to help digest food. So you can exercise at least 2 hours after eating your food. At the end of this video, I hope you have taken advantage of it. And if you like it, press like and subscribe to receive all new. And if you have a topic that you want me to talk about, leave me a comment about it. I will present it in the following videos. Cool Times channel. Subscribe now.